What's crack-a-lacking, squad? Okay, so day 11, let's go, baby. Bum bum bum, let's go. Yeah, woke up, did the morning routine, the little don't look at my bachelor's cupboard. It's just oats and spice, bro. Anyways, so yeah, today's a run. Get that 5th video out. Start working on my business. Reply to Universal Credit. And read in the park. That's today's objectives. So let's go and fucking smash it. Okay, yo, so just at the park. Yeah, just getting some nature, fresh air, reading. It was pretty sick. Like, there's these 2 guys here also hustling, making videos and shit like that of them BMXing and all of that. So I respect the hustle, gave them a little follow. But yeah, it's just cool to come out and actually see other people grinding, you know. So respect to them. I'm just gonna enjoy my nature, my book. Yeah, I'm just sitting here, bro. I made a friend. I didn't know they had red beaks. That's so crazy, dude. It's like breaking COVID regulations. It's like 5 feet near me. It's coming closer. Anyways, back to my book. Okay, what is lacking, you sexy squad? Okay, I was trying to come up with like some cool intro to this like update clip. So yeah, unfortunately I couldn't. I was gonna stand behind and be like, yo, I'm in a Pokemon card, you know? Cause like, check how it like glistens. Call me Pikachu. Anyways, that wasn't gonna work because the camera won't pick it up. So yeah, we are going anyways, update. Massive update. Well, in my eyes it's a small one, but yeah, we have been successful. We have been approved and we got the job. We got the job, baby. Let's fucking go. Woo! Anyways, so yeah. Still speechless. Extremely happy. I gotta do a bunch of documentation and onboarding things now for them. But we got it, baby. That's why you keep pushing, man. Yeah, everyone's gonna see it like you got the job, cool. But they didn't see the 150 applications I put in. The constant rejection. You just gotta push through. Because it's not for anyone else but you. So we got it, baby. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is now go for a walk, go get some popcorn kernels for tonight's Squid Games. No, that's a bad habit. We don't want to do that. So we're gonna go for a run, keep the consistency and the discipline going, and then when I come back I have all the AI clips now, so I just need to put them together to make the video and put the AI voiceover on. Yeah, we've read, we got a small win with the successful job. Yeah, so physical activity, AI video, and then I still need to do my business mind map. so I know exactly what is happening, what I need to work on, because this is a lot bigger than just what it started as. So yeah, I need to write down all of the ideas and everything, so I know exactly where my head is at. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do a little run, but right now I think I'm just gonna go for a walk to the shops. Just, yeah. I'm happy, man. Can't believe it. Let's go.
Okay, yo, so I just can't believe it. Yeah, fucking unreal. So yeah, we did treat myself yesterday with popcorn and Squid Games. So I ain't gonna treat myself now because we've done it. So maybe day 20 we'll do like, I don't know. But I can't believe it. Yeah. So that just shows like the harder you work, the better the outcome is. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the music. I wish I could play you the songs I listen to. Unfortunately not. Maybe I'll just drop my playlist down. But yeah, just good vibes, man.
Yo, what's happening? Okay, cool. Gonna go for a run. All straps up. A little late. 7 o'clock, 7:30. It's just been extremely hot today. We've had non-stop 30 degrees Celsius. Man is drenched here, bro. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna do a nice cool off run, come home, and then post the AI video. Yeah. Okay, so quick update. I have managed to finish the AI video. So yeah, I'm gonna get that posting. I don't need to show you me posting it on everything. You get the gist, you've seen it 4 times. So yeah, that is officially done. I'm going to do all the DPS checks and everything for the airport and the job tomorrow, because I just need to get a few documents that I left in South Africa. So yeah, that we'll do tomorrow. So it's been an excellent day. Quick update, we got the job, so small win. We finished the AI video number 5, and we're keeping the routine every second day. That's a small win. Number 3, we went for a run and did like 5 quick sit-ups in the park, which was incredible. Loved it. So that's a small win. And then number 4, oh yeah, we went and read a few pages in the park, which was cool to see like a bunch of BMX tricks and someone else hustling, to learn that seagulls have red at the end of their beak. I'm actually going to do some research now and see if there's any like scientific reason for it, just out of curiosity. So yeah, 4 small wins, and then the last thing to do is mind map of my business plan, business idea, so that I don't lose any ideas. Yeah, because right now it's like all over ChatGPT. There's one in conversation A, another one in conversation B, another one in conversation D. So I need to get all of that done. So that's gonna take a little bit of work. to get everything, few screenshots. Yeah, so it's currently 10:30, so I'll post this video now. Should be up at 11, and then I'll spend an hour doing the mind map. If I don't get that complete, then we'll carry on tomorrow. Yeah, so overall, day 11, fantastic. Yeah, you know, if Fanta married Stick and their child would be fantastic, that's how this day has been. So yeah, I've been extremely tired though the whole day, like really pushing myself not to have a nap. So I'm happy that I didn't. I mean, I'd consider that a win. But yeah, it's draining. The heat on top of it also doesn't help. The constant grind, the brain working non-stop. It's not me complaining, like I'm happy, extremely happy, inner peace, everything. But I am getting a little bit of a headache from it. And I'm trying not to take pills unless it's extremely necessary. So yeah. And plus, I don't know what their like pills are here, because I know you have like Advil and Tylenol in America, which is wonderful, and then you got like Panado and Gen Pain in South Africa. So I still need to learn those pills here. But yeah, highly advise only taking medicine if it's utterly necessary. Yeah, you would think English is my second language, the way I speak it. It's terrible. Like, now I understand why I have to constantly repeat myself to everyone. It's not the accent, it's the English, because it happens in 3 countries. So anyways, yeah, let me get to this posting and things, and then tomorrow, mind map, the security check, as well as maybe the first video for my personal vlog. We will get that up and running. Yeah. Okay, yo, quick update. We have posted the video. It is 12 o'clock. It took a lot longer than I expected. My computer's very slow. So yeah. So I'm going to make some dinner, rice, meatballs, a little tomato, eat that, and then spend 30 minutes watching Squid Games and mind mapping the business idea. Okay, day 11. Yeah, final update. We got the job, small win. We went for a run, small win. Posted the 5th video, read, ate healthy. Yeah, came up with a few more business ideas. We just haven't done the mind map. It's currently 1 o'clock. I'm just gonna eat my dinner, watch some Twitch. Shout out Jinxie, love your rage. And your funky hairstyles, and anyways, yeah, shout out. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then we will do the mind map tomorrow. Yeah. So, good night, good morning, and good afternoon. Have a blessed day. What up, squad? Stepping into the future quickly. Yeah, sending a message from day 45. I've been looking at the videos and the video editing and all of that, and you always see the black tents in the background. So I just want to clarify exactly what it is and what's inside before anyone gets the wrong idea or whatever. So yeah, as you know, like my future business is to a cannabis shop in South Africa. So I thought, you know what, might as well, while I'm here, learn about grow tents and how they affect different plants and the environments and the lighting and all of that. So when I grow my first batch of cannabis, I'll have a little bit of knowledge when growing it. So yeah, this is what's actually inside right now. We have the Monstera dissolution. Excuse me, I can't pronounce the names. So yeah, that's the Monstera dissolution. Then we have the Neon Potheus and the Calathea Lancifer. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the names. So yeah, that's basically what's inside. My beautiful babies. It's just so incredible to watch plants grow, like from little seedlings and just seeing them like just sprout, and how time just, yeah, it's incredible what nature is. So say hello to my babies. Sorry, I'm a proud plant popper. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to clarify exactly what's in the tent, and yeah, because that's my window, so not enough light and all of this to grow plants, etc. And it's also my way of giving back to nature to grow these plants, because nature has given me so much in the sense of oxygen, water, a place to live, and birds and animals, and yeah. So if I can just grow these three, like that's just my way of giving back. Then I will move them out into my studio flat, my bachelor pad, and then I'm gonna think of I'm not gonna take this down because it's amazing what it is. So I'm thinking of growing like fruits and veg, like tomatoes, beans, what else, carrots, I don't know, you name it. And then I don't have to spend money on food, so like this is like pays for itself almost. And it's just a cool way to learn, like, okay, cool, so certain plants need certain sunlight and yeah, certain temperatures, certain humidity, etc. So I'm using this as a learning tool and a little bit of knowledge. So when I grow my first batch of cannabis in South Africa, not here, I'll have some knowledge about grow tents and what is needed to make the environment perfect for plants and everything. So yeah, just to clarify before anyone gets the wrong idea or anything like that, this is what's inside the tent, is my plants. Yeah, they're my babies. I don't know, I'm just in love with nature right now. It's incredible. I mean, you see me with the seagulls and the seagull daycare, and on constantly talking about we need to appreciate nature and everything. So this is just my little way of giving back to nature. Yeah, safe place for plants to grow, and hopefully potential food and everything like that. So yeah, message from the future. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you around much because there's a bunch of like sneak peeks, like that bad boy. Yeah, anyways, so that's just my message, and yeah, just to clear everything up or whatever. Okay, cheers quite a lot, enjoy the journey, trust me, it's fun. There's some cool videos coming, trust me.